All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill for the bottom teeth. 8 teeth on the bottom. Now, this is actually single caps. So each tooth there, you can see the definition in between each tooth. That's because it's cut all the way through, guys. So it's single caps and gives it that nice, perm style look. Check that out. A lot of maximum definition. You can't have any more definition than this, guys. This is single caps. Each one is individually removable. 925 solid sterling silver. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You choose how many teeth you want, top or bottom. It's up to you. This is a perm single cap style. blingcartel.com, guys. Check us out. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.